Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Nuer Language School. Today, we are going to learn about questions using why. We will study how why is used and practice translating these simple phrases from English into the Nuer language. Let's begin and learn together. Let's start with why are you late? Why are you late? Angu janke jimo. Why are you late? Angu janke jimo. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Angu mijeka loidu. Why are you sad? Angu mijeka loidu. Why do you think so? Why do you think so? Angu misher keji ino. Angu misher keji ino. Why are you angry? Why are you angry? Angu megak keji. Angu megak keji. Why are you tired? Why are you tired? Angu meluang eji mo. Angu meluang eji o. Angu meluang eji. Why not me? Why not me? Angu shiano. Angu shiano. Why not me? Angu shiano. Why do you like coffee? Why do you like coffee? Angu noki buno. Angu noki buno. Or simply, angu noki coffee. Angu noki buno. Why do you like coffee? Angu minoki buno. Why do you study English? Why do you study English? Angu miguri ngai talk English. Angu miguri ngai talk English. Angu miguri ngai talk English. Why do you use your phone so much? Why do you use your phone so much? Angu mela ledi ke telephone du alongo. Along inamo. Let put ino. Oh. Angu mela ledi ke telephone du along ino. Why do you exercise? Why do you exercise? Angu mela point du a chongimo. Miyoki point du. Angu mela point du a chongimo. Why do you choose this job? Why do you choose this job? Angu me make a lot eme. Angu me make a lot eme. We can also say angu me kwany a lot eme. You can use both of this. Why do you choose this job? Angu me make a lot eme, or you can say angu me kwany a lot eme. Why are you learning this subject? Why are you learning this subject? Why are you learning this subject? Angu migori ngach bokame kajamo. Angu migori ngach bokame kajamo. Angu migori ngach bokame kajamo. Why are you learning this subject? Angu migori ngach bokame kajamo. Why didn't you finish your work? Why didn't you finish your work? Why didn't you finish your work? Angu mekene ladu tuko. Angu mekene ladu tuko. Angu mekene ladu tuko. Why is this important? Why is this important? Why is this important? Angu mubum kaneme o. Angu mubum kaneme o. Angu mubum kaneme. Angu mubum kaneme. Why do we need practice? Why do we need practice? Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. Why do we need practice? Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. Why do we need practice? Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. Why do you call me? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? Why did you call me? Engu mi yodi haka kajamo. Engu yodi haka kajamo. Engu mi yodi haka kajamo. Why did you call me? Engu yodi haka kajamo. Engu yodi haka kajamo. Why did she leave early? Why did she leave early? Engu mi jen kanyamo kapeta. Engu mi jen kanyamo kapet. Engu mi jen kanyamo kapet. Why did she leave early? Engu mi jen kanyamo kapet. Why did she cancel the meeting? Why did she cancel the meeting? Why did she cancel the meeting? Engu mi kep kan dol chuang kajamo. Engu mi kep kan dol chuang kajamo. Why did he say that? Why did he say that? Engu milare je inamo. Engu milare je inamo. Why did she say that? Engu milare je inamo. Why did it happen? Why did it happen? Engu mtuoke je. Why did it happen? Engu mtuoke je. Why did it happen? Engu mtuoke je. Gwasa me kiyeni den ko na ngai ka toknat ko gori na butok English kana toknat bijangach ano kandi ti ka de raro de ngeke kani shanko butok bi kula ngach ala to go to practice me dera andere jalat baje kwen one more time ko bi akole tika ngetin ndo bdan dong deran der to me der jangai keje ba kwen ya George ko Bran ba kule tika liang tina gwa kana kwen kon ka te de chala question with why tini tin tuoka kengu kimelara je ngu why kana what tangun la yena kela what ngu why bone jan bochere ke engu sheta mi shai jogono nene why are you late ka tongna de kon lar nodi ngu jan ke jimo ngu jan ke jimo dong de ti jaran ka tuk English why are you late. You can answer it in Tongnat. Angu jeng kajimo case you can question that person. Angu jeng kajimo. Why are you sad? Mrodiana me. Men bukon ngai gwa me ala late mi jeng, jena mi jeng. Tang gwesen dong deran dere gujano late. Okay, ka translation just mi jeng, okay? Why are you late? Angu jeng kajimo. Tang gwene la o angu jeng kajio. La kona lel kemo ngu jen ke jimo ya la titan but correct de o dio je de kon lar no da la o ngu jen ke ji o wana ka why are you late lot kanodi ngu jen ke ji mo why are you sad ram just loid sad mi jek loid why are you sad dong de ran tiki de jitich ngu mi jek loid why are you sad muradian why do you think so? Ngu mi sharka jeno ki ngu mi share je eno. Why do you think so? Ngu mi share je ka je eno. Okay, ngu mi sharka je eno. Chana min gorgwaza men. Ngu mi share je eno no. Why do you think so? Dio je kel kati dio da la gwa ka je. Why do you think so? Ngu mi sharka je eno no. Ngu mi shari je ino. Number 4 ki ngwandian. Why are you angry? Angry eme egak la mi gak loidu. Why are you angry? Ngu mi gak ji dilar. Why are you angry? Ngu mi gak ji. Ngu mi gak ji dilar nono. Number 5. Why are you tired? Tired gwatame a chochere ka choch ki mluanga ponjo don't ran jo no angu mamile jiga je ki ngu mluanga jika jamo angu mluanga ji why are you tired angu mluanga jika ja angu mluanga ji keja okay I can put here angu mi luang ji keja mo why are you tired de na lar no question no there kan why not me? Question me. Why not me? Angu mi shian. Why not me? Angu shiano. Okay, angu shian de lar no. Angu shian, why not me? Angu shian, or you can even say it this way. Angu me shian. Angu mi shian. Teje rodo. Gwas me tembe ngach la neme amagag door like mi shia talk then be a gag be latin. Angu mi shian. Number 7. Why do you like coffee? Why do you like coffee? Gwase me coffee ka kon de je tere de kon chol bun ke an de kon chol bo coffee just you can use any de ko larno me ya jono why do you like coffee? Angu me nok ibuno angu me nok ibun like me enok duka do shere ke laughed. Why do you love coffee? But la kula chol ke like why do you like coffee? Angu me nok ibun. Number 8. Why do you study English? Why do you study English? Nedin wan la study kana le chere mi agor. Yeah? Study am gori la talk. But chere ke mi jajo why do you study English? De kon la no ngum gori ngai talk English. Jin why do you study English? Ke why are you learning English? Ngum ngi jiro ka talk English. So la somehow they there take a demo taught. But there when do bran guji ge de translate ke la jin ke we ran de nanga. But then they prepared a line, but kaji there like your choice. Why do you study English? And me there la question. Melo ikona katok nat de ko la no angu ngori ngai talk English. Go take your motive behind the reason why you study English. Angu ngori ngai talk English. They will be communicate right can will be right now. Why do you use your phone so much? Why do you use your phone so much? Gwada mi take ni jeno angu mla ledike telephone du alungeno. Tango la kona la na konwere. Ne ko la angu mla telephone la ja use alungeno. Use me atoko wa ni ya. But use kono ko tongwere bo. Do no use chere me a lot. Ke la ndana le dor keje. Angu mla ledike telephone du alungeno. Why do you use your phone so much? Angu mla ledike telephone du alungeno no. Number 10. Why do you exercise? Why do you exercise? Exercise ne karao gwasemene, but in this question take energy ka point don la wuri ke don la ledi ke te chala push up bro la your pin ke bidlet wan bugalat ke bijal la you are doing exercise mo kel rewde mu don are kala taye mo ke lat no lat ne mene don mo gwar ke milal ke so you can use the word exercise there ke verb exercise. Why do you exercise? Angu mala point du a chong mo chong ne kana yok tirme ka kel ga tong noare angu mala point du a chong mo angu mi la ur keji angu kide ko la angu mala point du a yoki keje mo any medere use on ke why do you exercise no dere men no gwa dere use la jen okay ngore ngeje ngumela point do shong mo ngumela wur keji ngumela point do yoki keje mo so any of this you can use so ngije mo de go akaje but exercise and kato English dia ja take gwatngwa la but context na na right ke kwide jende ya use mo why do you exercise so take ni ngumela point do shong mo dong o ja dong jali dong tire na me ba abdien kandial. Number 11. Why did you choose this job? Number question. Don't you will you go kalat? You went and look for a job and then take an interview. Then they get you know angu me make latame keje. Why did you choose this job? Angu me make latame keje. Okay, they lar. Angu me kwany latame. Simple thing you can say angu me kwanye ladame angu me make ladame keje angu me kwanye ladame keje so menti choice ki menti make but already why did you choose this job angu me kwanye ladame ki angu me make ladame keje job a lot. Number 12. Why are you learning this subject? Why are you learning this subject? Angu me gore ngai boka me keje mo angu mugore ngaj boka meka jama. Why are you learning this subject? Angu mugore ngaj boka meka jama. Number 13. Why didn't you finish your work? Why didn't you finish your work? Ala didn't milel kon namani an kana mitniale apostrophe. So ke gwadamo. Why didn't you? Don't lele why did not you finish your work? Why balakula lele kala short form. Why didn't you finish your work? Why didn't you finish your work? So angu mekeni la dutuko. Tekeneji jin Ramadan kula tekalat. Angu mekeni la dutuko. Why didn't you finish your work? Angu mekeni la dutuko jama. Don't you lache ban pinya kene tuk. Why this is important? Why is this important? Sorry. Why is this important? Angu mubum kanama. Oh. Angu mubum kanama. Why is this important? Angu mubum kaja. Don't they call around? Angu mi bum kaja. Angu mubum kaja. Eneme. Angu mubum kaja. Eneme. Okay, they call around. Why is this important? Allah important ka kon ware. They kon je chere me long. Okay, chere me long ki bom. So they kon just anyway they translate jam okay they ngai ke jam. Angu mubum kaneme. Angu mubum kaneme o. Angu mubum kaja eneme. Enemy gujimo they use. Why is this important? Why do we need practice? This is number 15. Why do we need practice? Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. Angu mugor kono baro tem kajamo. Okay, practice katuk English. Chere kami let me just simply describe it katung nat. Alajin mudong chai mo kalan melody ka kuji but onja deri on cha kamji mas deri dua cha kamji la dwar wor hone mu kuji lade then chalade practice. Why do we need practice? Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. So mitemro do onenija. You are trying to practice kobi kula ngai ki bi learn. So the question is, why do we need practice? Angu mugor kono bana rotem kajamo. Number 16. Why did you call me? Why did you call me? Angu miyodi aka kajamo. Angu miyodi aka kajamo. Why did you call me? Angu yodi aka kajamo. Dere mi badere lat. Okay. Angu mi yodi aka kajamo. Okay, they got on. Angu mi yodi aka kajamo. Why did you call me? Angu yodi aka kajamo. Angu mi yodi aka kajamo. Angu mi yodi aka kajamo. Why did you call me? Angu yodi aka kajamo. Angu mi yodi aka kajamo. Number 17. Why did she leave early? Why did she leave early? Angu mi jen kenyamo kapet. Angu mi jen kenyamo kapet. Why did she leave early? Ala she raja ka kwinyal. I raja ka kwiwutke. It raja ka ken boss. Muk chang can identify by it by the use. Michawe, why did she leave early? Angu mi jen ke nyamo kapet. Tangwas ni cha nyama cha de indicate dong de kono goro en wonene engu mi jen keje ke pet engu mi jen keje ka pet keje ma keje chere kejen chere ka ngu chere kejen mishal ka meshi la nan kenon engu mi jen keje ka pet jen engu mi jen keje ka pet de kon jen de kon lat kuje me kuj ngu ka mugor kon bona jen engu mi jen keje ka pet. Why did she leave early? Muluno odi ala jen me ko indicate ngu ni she. Okay, ko indicate ni she. She anyal. But in this case can kon mention en nyamo but by use kemichal kan jen. Changle me nyalo cause kayingali la she la ngai ko banga jeno nyal she de la he would so mi chinen ka to ko ne sha she sha la tan bi nga jeno lo ne jen ke bi la re nyamo ke shega mo ke gwaramo ne en mi guji mo de lat. Why did she leave early? Angu mi jen ka nyamo ka pet jen angu mi jen ka je ka pet. And of this you can use ka ta dan de tok de ngai ke je ke de ro ngai ke je. Number 18. Why did they cancel the meeting? Why did they cancel the meeting? Angu me kep kan dol chong ka jama. Dol me dol lot ken meeting, okay? Dol lot ken meeting. meeting edwal ka tok nat ka tok English shale meeting ka tok konwar shale dol cancel kep dor shong makap ko dor shong ngum kep kan dor shong ka jamo. Why did they cancel the meeting? Number 19, why did he say that? Why did he say that? Ngum laare je inomo. Now chikon nen gwasme e lodo ni wut lodo ni dol lodo na dol chale he ngum laare je inomo ngum lar dole inomo chana men gwar kwadme ngum mi lar would de inomo. Okay, de kon lar non ngum lar would de inomo would ku kon refer ni ja kangu ke he. Okay, in this case he cherke would gwadme jen michal ke je kejen sheda dongde kon gor gwasme jen. Okay, jen ngu mi lare je ino. Okay, de kon lar no boy, so you can take any of these. Ngu jen ngu mi lar je ino, so ci jen me ci ben yal gwasme lu ngu jen e he. So just direct translation, why did he say that? Ngu mi lare je ino, ngu mi lare je ino mo ngum lar wude inomo jen ngum lar je ino. So you can use any of this. Okay, number 20, which is the last, why did it happen? Why did it happen? Ngum tuokeje, why did it happen? Ngum tuokeje, why did it happen? Please, if you are new to this channel, to Know Language School, make sure you support the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, and make sure you share this, you comment any recommendation there to go no be channel be jen waka ne ko ken bana je kan idodien important lesson den kono ba no ga wo bina bu kan tok na kan ngach ka bu kan tok English bu kan ngach ana bana je ka lesson dodien ane biya ta kamal.